let's get started here. So I'm gonna start with the,
That's oregano?
this is oregano, and
Okay.
it's all fresh,
Okay.
fresh herbs. Parsley, very good. And garlic for flavor. And then your liquids, red wine vinegar, and some canola oil.
I assume you're going to put the lid on that and
Oh, yes.
take out all the aggressions that you've had for the week.
Yeah, make sure it's screwed on good and tight first. Okay, so the skirt steak is found very close to the flank steak. It's
Same.
very tender, naturally tender,
All right.
so it's super tasty.
Cool.
You'll notice that it's got a lot of this silver skin on it, so you just want to make sure that you can slice some of that off, and it makes the cut a little bit cleaner when you're cooking it. And so when you're cooking this, you want to give it about 2 to 3 minutes aside. If you want it a little bit more well done, 4.
So then that's that.
You could put it on a platter, drizzle it on top, put it on a bowl on the side, let people serve themselves, whatever you're most comfortable with as serving.